Shivaya. Hello all and thank you for clicking on to the video. So myself Chandana and Nair, I am from Amrita School of Business, Amritapuri, and we are doing this video as a part of our Human Resource Management program assigned by Anushrima. So coming to the topic, selection. So selection is a process of picking or choosing the right candidate who is most suitable for a vacant position in an organization. Or in other words, we can say that it's a process of interviewing the candidate and evaluating their qualities which are required for a specific job position in an organization. The selection of a right applicant for a vacant position will be an asset to the organization. So this is a common definition regarding the selection. So various authors have given various definitions. For example, like we can say employee selection is a process of putting a right applicant on a right job, or also it is like selection of an employee is a process of choosing the applicants who have the qualification to fill the vacant job in an organization. And also they have given some definitions like selection is a process of identifying and hiring the applicants for filling the vacancies in an organization. So in the total we can understand that a good selection process will ensure that the organization get the right set of employees for the vacant position. So now I will be dealing about the difference between the recruitment and the selection. So there is always a misconception regarding the concepts of recruitment and selection. So coming to the differences between them, the first one will be regarding the recruitment. So as we know, recruitment is defined as a process of identifying and making the potential candidate to apply for the job. So in the recruitment, it's like we are finding the potential set of candidates to apply for the program. But in selection is defined as a process of choosing the right candidate for the vacant position. And the other difference we can say to you is recruitment is called a positive process. So positive process in the sense it's an approach of attracting as many candidates for this job position. But whereas in selection, it's an elimination process and thus being in a negative approach. So from these differences we can understand that both the recruitment and selection, they both go hand in hand and they have to work together for a better contribution to the company. Then coming to the importance of selection. So why selection is so much important in a human resource department? So selection is an important process because hiring good resource can help increase the development process in the company or to achieve the goal of the company. So if there is a bad hire with a bad selection process, then the work will be affected and the cost incurred for replacing the bad resources will be very high. The purpose of selection is to choose the most suitable candidate who can meet the requirements of the job in an organization. So these are the merits of selection or advantages of selection. Then coming to the few more advantages, we can say it's a cost effective and reduces a lot of time and effort. It helps avoiding any biasing while recruiting the right candidate. It also helps eliminate the candidates who are lacking in knowledge, ability and their skills, and it provides the guidelines to evaluate the candidate further through strict verification and reference checking. Another advantage what we can mention is it helps in comparing the different candidates in terms of the capabilities, knowledge, skill and work attitude, etc. So in whole level, we can understand that selection has a lot of contribution towards the human resource department and then directing to the overall development of the company. So a good selection process helps in selecting the best candidate for the company. Thank you.